In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade perpetuals on Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom Pro account, what you can do is first go to perpetuals, which is up here in the middle, and when you click on that, you can then start trading them. However, as you can see, the only currency up here available in the wallet is Solana. So you will first have to swap Solana into USDC. And the way you can do this is by clicking deposit up here and then pressing convert. And you can convert your Solana into USDC. And the way you can do this is by either typing the gain amount over here or the convert amount over here, or just pressing on the entire balance, which will basically just start attempting to get a quote, and within a few seconds, you'll be able to confirm it in 15 seconds, and then swap your Solana for USDC. After you've done this, you'll be able to start buying either long or short over here on the perpetuals tab. You can buy on market or limit if you want to. You can set your leverage over here, and you can also set the take profit or stop loss if you would like that too. So it gives you all the different features. You can see the charts over here, the 1 minute up to 30 minutes or even month charts. And you can, of course, also set some chart settings over here if you'd like to. You can add in some indicators as well as change the candles and what coin you would like to view. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.